Hi friends, Kurumzari. Today I am going to show you how deep fried fish can be cooked with spices and tomatoes to give a flavorful and savory Manipuri dish. We call it Nga Ataoba Thongba. This is the third cuisine in series after Khazin Kangho and Iromba, which recipe I had shared in my previous videos. If you like this video and new, please do consider subscribing the channel as it will motivate me a lot. So without any further ado, let's begin. For this recipe, I will be taking 500 gram fresh Rohu fish. They are chopped up into round medium-sized pieces. I am going to marinate it using little salt, turmeric powder and chilli powder. This is totally optional. You can skip adding chilli powder if you wish. When the mixing is done, add 2 teaspoons mustard oil and continue with our mixing. Let's keep it aside for at least 20 minutes so that the marinade get inside it to add extra moisture and tenderize the fish. Now let's heat up oil in a karhai. I am taking refined oil for frying purpose. You can take any oil of your choice. After it has attained the smoking point, let me set the temperature at medium and transfer the fish pieces one by one. 5 pieces can easily accommodate in the oil, so I am taking this much numbers only. After about 2-3 minutes, let's flip over the pieces and continue frying. The color has turned into beautiful golden brown. Let's scoop it out from the oil now. The remaining pieces will be fried in the same way. And when it is done, I will be proceeding with our next step of cooking. These are the ingredients that I will be using. The list of their names and quantity to be used are given in the description box. You can check it out later. For cooking this Rohu fish, I will be taking 1 cup mustard oil in a pan, as its strong aroma and flavor goes really well with fish and other seafoods. It's quite heated up now. The raw smell of mustard oil is also gone. At this point, let's sprinkle a pinch of Hing, which will be followed by half teaspoon whole Jeera. Then comes slit green chilies, 5 or 6 in number, and finely chopped onions. Let's saute it until it turns little translucent. After about 1 minute of sauteing it at medium flame, I will be adding 2 tablespoons garlic, 1 tablespoon ginger coarsely ground, and stir it nice and proper. Now let's add some of the whole spices one by one: bay leaves, star anise, Dalchini, Cloves, black pepper, and black cardamom. Let their pleasant aroma combine well with onion garlic mixture. After sauteing for another half minutes, I am going to add powdered masalas. So 1 teaspoon Jeera, 1 teaspoon coriander and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder goes to the pan. Adding powdered masala at the last stage of sauteing will help avoid unnecessary burning. Now I am going to add chopped tomatoes and let it cook with its lid closed until it becomes little softer. After a few minutes, let's check. We can see tomato pieces become tender and oil tends to separate out. At this point, I am going to pour 4 cups of water and let it boil. Now it's perfect time to add salt as per taste, half teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon besan to thicken the boiling mixture. Once the besan dissolves properly, I will be adding fried fish pieces and let it simmer for just about 5 minutes, but not more than that. Keep adjusting the flame from medium to medium high throughout our cooking. Finally, time to season it with 1 teaspoon fish masala and 1 cup of coriander leaves before we turn off the gas. Our Rohu fish curry is ready with a perfect blend of aromatic spices and tanginess which comes from sweet and sour tomatoes. So friends, do try making this recipe at home. It tastes divine. That's all for today. Keep watching and stay connected. And please do subscribe the channel if you are new. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon. This way notification will reach you in time. See you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.